So hello and welcome to Genius Print. This is Tushar, and today in this video I am going to tell about this BBM 2021-2022 exam date of level 2. Okay, so as you seen in the thumbnail that we actually uploaded this kind of actually video. I will say one thing that those who are actually selected for level 2 examinations, you can search our website or you can search our channel frequently, or you can stay with us or make a complete group so that you can get the level 2 video lecture from us. Okay, so we will try to give this entire we'll try to cover this entire syllabus of this BBM 2022 examinations, as the now already in level 1 we uploaded so many video, and in our offline classes also we uploaded we taught so many students so that they can actually crack these examinations, and yet actually they also actually cracked. So for this level 2 examinations, as exam date is declared, so I will try to continue this video lectures for this discussions of the level 2 examinations. Okay, so those who have not actually subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and share this video with your friend so that they can actually get all these notifications and some other important information from us. Okay, so let's get started. So as for the last informations we got, actually they actually declared this exam date. So these two actually separate part. One is for this junior group, okay, junior group, then another for the senior group, okay, senior group. So in case of this junior group, they will conduct these examinations in 13th of Feb, okay, 2022, 13th Feb, okay, 13th Feb 2022. I think it will be Sunday, 13th Feb 2022 Sunday. They will conduct these examinations for this junior level. Okay, so exam will be start from 11 AM to 1:30 AM. Okay, 11 AM to 1:30 PM. Okay, so this will be the starting or exam period. Okay, so you will not able to actually log in after this 11, 15 or 20. I think yes 11:20 they will not allow you to for login after 11:20 am. Okay, so after 11:20 am you will not be able to log in. So you should actually log in 11 am in right time. Okay, so you should keep in mind these things, and you should visit this their actually official website to get entire information about this. Okay, so don't miss these times. So what will be the date of it? 13th Feb 2022, 13th Feb 2022 Sunday. Yes, Sunday they will take this examination. Yes, another thing is mode of these exams will be only online. Okay, only online. Why? Because this Omicron actually spread it in entire country, so they actually in this years also they choose this mode online, because we are facing this different situations actually what is going on. So I will request all of you, please don't go outside and try to keep yourselves motivated and prepared and practice lots of, so that you can easily crack this examination. Okay, so this only for this junior part. Now in case of the senior part, they will take this examination when yes, it is 13th Feb of 2022, same date. Okay, 13th Feb 2022. Okay, it is Sunday. Okay, so for this senior levels also they will conduct these examinations on same date. Okay, and exam will be start from 3 PM to 5:30 PM. Okay, 3 PM to 5:30 PM. Okay, 5:30 PM, and this mode also online. Actually it is state level camp exams, so you should know these things actually, and you will not able to log in after 3:20 PM. Okay, 3:20 PM. Actually after starting this examination, there it will gives you 20 minutes for login, because in different watch 20 minutes maybe fast or slow, and for that reasons but you should maintain the same date throughout this country. So within 20 actually minutes you should join. Okay, so after 3:30 p.m. they will not able to they will not allow you for login. Okay, so for this senior level examinations they will conduct in 13th Feb 2022 Sunday 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. and for this junior 13th Feb 2022 okay Sunday 11 a.m. to okay. So on the same date they will take this both the examinations, and level that means mode of these examinations will be online. Okay, so I will request all of you, please visit their official website www.vbm.org.in/. okay, so this is the official website www.vbm.org.in. so I will try to give this in our link that means in description box. So you have to visit these things and see whatever information they actually uploaded. And another thing is that you should update it, so that if any date maybe delayed or maybe if it is possible they can take this 2 or 3 days faster, but I don't think it my justification is that they will take these examinations on the same date because it is in online mode. Okay, and if any kind of actually problems will not occur, then definitely they will take these examinations on that particular date, and if any kind of problems happens, then they can further delay it. Okay, so this is totally based on the official website. So I will request all of you, please see these things and try to share this video with your friend. And if you want this video lecture for this level 2 examinations, then you can write on the comment section and try to make a complete group so that I can give you this entire lectures in free of cost. Okay, so this is a short video. I came here to inform you all these things. Okay, I hope all of you understood it. So I will request, please share this video and subscribe our channel. Okay, so thank you all.